Hello everybody, today we are going to learn how to reverse a string in C language without using any string functions. So it is quite easy. First of all, we have to count the length of a string. It is really easy. You have to declare a string, initialize it, and then you will have to run a while loop. For that you need a variable in which you are going to count the length of string. I'm going to use integer len and I'm going to initialize it to 0 by default. Now we are going to use str of len. Now str len of is 0, so 0 over here is a. Is a equal to a is not equal to null character, so it will go inside the loop and increment. It will be 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, and the null character is equal now, so it will not count length. So initially the length should be 5. Let's check it. Alright, as you can see, we have gotten the output is 5, so our length is correct. Now that we have found the length, we are going to reverse the string. For that, we need two more variables, I and j. Now we will initialize j to 0. Alright. Now we have to use a for loop. I is equal to len minus 1. I is greater than equal to 0. I minus minus. So now this means we are using the loop in reverse order. Length minus 1. This is the length. 5 minus 1. That means it will start from here. 5 minus 1. Greater than equal to 0. It will go till here, right? We are going from this side to this because we are using I minus minus, right? So in this loop we have to use reverse of j and string of I. So what it will we do is length minus 1 is e, will be assigned to reverse of j. Reverse of j is 0. So the last element of this string will be stored into first element of this string, and then we have to increment the j. It is j plus plus, right? So now that we have done everything, we still have to do one thing. We all know that every string ends with a null character, so we have to explicitly end the reverse string with a null character, although it may add by default, but it may not work in old compilers. We have to make efficient code for every compiler, right? So reverse of j is equal to null character, right? Or you can simply write null in capital letters. I'm preferring this. Reverse of j will be 6 over here because we have incremented, so it will be 6 over here. So last element will be assigned to null character. So now we have to print both of the string. Now I'm using put as function to print the string. It should be working fine. Let's check. Okay, I have forgot a semicolon. Silly mistake. It should be working. Okay, alright. I have to remove this. Alright, it's working perfect. We can try anything else. For example, just if we remove ABC, what happens? As you can see, ABC is reversed to CBA. So that was it. It was simply easy and really helpful if you don't want to use strrev function for reversing string. So yep, thank you for watching.